So follow me, let me show you how I got this. Hello, welcome lovely people, welcome again to my YouTube channel Fafanyo Cooks. Today we are going to do a very simple recipe. Our recipe for today is spaghetti. Yes, so we're going to learn the simple, or today we're going to prepare our simple spaghetti method in less than 5 minutes. Yeah, so our pan is already on fire. So these are ingredients. You can see our vegetables here. We have carrots, we have onions, we have green pepper, and we have some green onions. Then we have here our gizzard, our sausage, eggs, then our black pepper, white pepper, sardine, and our spaghetti. So that's what we are using today for our spaghetti. So we add our oil. Okay. Then we add our egg. So we try to crumble eggs in this form. So we add our gizzard, which is already steamed, and stir. Then we add our sausage. Then stir. Then we add our main ingredient, which is the spaghetti. At this point, you want to support what I am doing by clicking on the notification bell and subscribing to my channel. La la la, spaghetti is ready.